Hello. Welcome to our channel, Mathematics Resource Center. Pause the video, read through the question, and we are ready to begin when you are. The following diagram is an isosceles triangle. In the triangle, the value of x it's an isosceles. This side equal to that side. That means this angle equals to this angle over here. So if this is 30, then the angle over here is 30. So now the next thing I need to think about, what's the total angle? Angles add up. All the angles in a triangle, what do they add up to? They add up to 180 degrees. So I know in order to find my x, it's going to be the 180 degrees minus the value of these two angles, which is 30 degrees plus 30 degrees, which gives me 120. So my answer is C. And that brings us to the end of our video. Remember to like and subscribe. Thank